We had to leave Manila at 12 midnight via AirAsia Airlines and touch down at TAIWAN Airport at 1:11 a.m. The downside of grabbing an airline promo though, when we arrived, train stations and gates were still closed. We had to sleep at the food court together with the other passengers until it was 6 a.m. Wala tayong maintindihan. We're going to North Yanping. We're about to check in at Fun In Hostel.
Ganitong ganito. Gusto ko. Araw-araw ganito.
Lizette booked us via Klook this tip-based free walking tour called Golden Age Route by Lily and Sue. We've learned that Taiwan is also an interweave of cultures. It was colonized by the Dutch, Chinese, and Japanese. However, among the three, Japanese culture had the greatest influence. For 6 days of stay, weather was really gloomy and rainfall was unpredictable. We need to buy an umbrella. Temperature was 14 degrees in the city while it becomes 10 degrees below when you go to the other towns. Dadao Cheng or Diwa Street is a combination of traditional Fujian-style Qing dynasty homes alongside Baroque and modernist styles favored by the wealthy Japanese.
When you're asking question, only yes/no question. Okay, so how to do is you use your both hands to show your respect that you cast a moon blast, and also before you cast a moon blast, also tell the god who you are, your birthday, and also address. Okay, and you cast it. Okay, so for example, my name is Sue. I want to ask, can I win the lottery this year? Okay. Ooh. Yes. Wow. Okay, so we have curved side and flat side. So if you get one curved side and one flat side, this is divine answer means yes.
The Japanese luxury houses used for business are narrow and deep like Amsterdam canal houses, which unfolds into 3 connected rooms. 100 years old businesses are still in operation, such as craft shops, cafes, boutiques, and traditional eats. We just had our walking tour and we're headed to the MRT again to have our second walking tour. So cute. And then you put the payment here.
Pero laki ng tinip niya, $10.
Oh,
USD.
going to the Diha shopping district.
Ano pang iba?
MRT Yanping North Road Section 3 Tourist Night Market.
Punta tayo sa station natin.
By 7 p.m., we had a meet-up at Sun Yat-sen Station to avail the night walking tour by Eugene and Christian called Modern Route. This taught us more about Taiwan's politics and capitalism. They brought us to 8 iconic places, 2 of which are not in the video because they were overlooking.
Walang pumipila kasi isang station.
We're on our way to night market. The night market entrance is just across the street next to the temple called Siyu from Songshan Station or Zongshan. It is a 600-meter path along Rawa Street in Songshan District with night food, quaint shops, stalls, carnival games, and magical performances.
This is the true takoyaki.
Sa in our province, walang laman yung takoyaki.
Takoyaki is a ball-shaped Japanese snack or appetizer made of wheat flour-based batter. This dish originated in Osaka, Japan. To cook, generously fill the batter when you see smoke from the special molded pan. Add 1 to 3 octopus pieces in each hole. You could also use tempura scraps and then add pickled gingers, green onions, and for its toppings, use cheese. Literally, it means octopus is grilled or fried octopus dumplings. Now, when the bottom of the ball is already hardened, break the connected batter and turn each of it. Let the batter flow out.
Certified papers.
Mauna na ako. But we're going to Taichung instead of Kaohsiung. Tayo. Oh, bawal. May kasabay ka? Hindi ko napansin.
Meron na una sa akin. Diba? Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Kakain ng breakfast.
Saan na nga?
7-Eleven.
Saan na nga? Dito ba?
Ba't naniniwag ko tayo?
Pwede na lang.
Hindi namin maintindihan yung simula. It's all going. Ay, hindi. Changing. Ay, babalik kayo sa favorite ko.
Tama ba? Dito ba yung way?
Finally, we found mask at Family Mart. How much? Well, hindi ko maintindihan yung sulat.
Kaso yung mga tsaka lang po.
Ha?
Mga tsaka.
Manipis? Wala tayong choice eh. Laging out of stock eh.
The passenger.
10:46?
51 is faster. Okay. Sorry. Wait a minute.
Mali kasi tayo na. Tapos, 15C. 15C. We got lost. Thank you. We entered the wrong car, car 5. We're supposed to enter car 2. Spicy
Three and four. And this step is for your garden ticket. Show respect, you can enter for free all that day.
Zongshe Flower Market, also known as Huli Flower Farm, is an Instagram-worthy props of musical instruments, beautiful water features, flower arcs, and life-size photo frames. It is a variety of colorful and quirky explosion of flower fields. Not only that, after touring and taking photos, you can have your unlimited barbecue and unleashed strawberry picking.
Fried to? Ano to? Ako kanina sa atin, naggigisa ng sibuyas.
Oo, tinan mo, dun sila nag-iiwan.
So ano uunahin natin?